Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're just going to take a quick look at this new Tesla Roadster. It's not out yet. I don't think it's coming out till 2019 or 2020. There's no firm date. Nobody has a firm date on it, and it's not on it's not on the Tesla website. You can reserve your car. You can see some quick stats right there. It's the quickest car in the world. It's going to have a record-setting acceleration, range, and performance for, well, gas, for gas and electric vehicles alike, right? 0 to 60, 1.9, top speed, over 250. They don't even know. They just say over 250. And the range is 620. And so they've got some other specs down here. They don't have a bunch of data, but I thought I'd share it with you. So there's that 0 to 60. Here's the 0 to 100, which is 4.2 seconds. The acceleration, or the quarter mile, is 8.8 seconds, which is really quick. And then the top speed, like I said, is over 250. Its wheel torque is 10,000 newton meters, which I found an online conversion tool, and it says that equals 7,375 pound-feet of torque, which is insane. Its range is 620 miles, which I think is incredible. I don't know what the best EVs are putting down today, but that sounds like a lot to me. I mean, that's more than cars, right? Gasoline engines. It's a lot. That's a good range. And it's got seating for four. It's all-wheel drive. You want that base model, it's $200,000. You got to put down $50K for them to build you one. And then I guess they have the Founders series. I didn't see any information that was specific to that one, but it's another $50,000, so it's $250,000 for that one, and you have to pay this one in full if you want them to build it for you. It's an all-electric supercar. It maximizes the potential of aerodynamic engineering with record-setting performance and efficiency, it says. And apparently, it's the first supercar to set every performance record and still fit seating for four. Well, that's cool. They got the glass roof here, right? Glass roof. If you see it closed there, if I scroll a little slower, you'll actually see it open. There it is. So it's a lightweight glass roof, stores in the trunk, so you can have a open air convertible feeling. Looks like a quick little 9-minute movie on Elon Musk, the Roadster reveal last year, basically last year, almost a year ago. And then that's it, really. So you can reserve it, and so yeah, you just click it, and you've got a couple options. You can they already default you to the Founder series, that extra 50,000, right? They don't give you the basic. They defaulted here, so you can get the Roadster, the Founder series, or the regular one. And they don't tell you. Let's see, the Founder series Roadster reservations require an initial $5,000 credit payment plus a wire transfer payment in 10 days, right? Reservations are not final until the wire transfer payment is received. What about this one? 5,000 plus 4. Okay, so plus 45 in 10 days. Da, 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 da. That's the deal, right? And then you put in all your information down there. All right, so yeah, that's the new Roadster. That is, well, there's no firm date on it, but this is a really cool vehicle. This is a really cool EV, and I'm not even a fan, but this one's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you found this quick little news tidbit on automotive news tidbit helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.